Hi everyone, this is Olaolu Moronkola from Lamp Media Touch. In this video, I want to show you how to apply two type fonts onto a single text box using Photoshop. Note that there are two ways you can insert a text into your document while working on graphic design software, especially Photoshop. The first type is artistic text. Artistic text is done by just clicking on the text box, then move your mouse to the workspace and click on the workspace and start typing. And the second type is by just clicking on the text tool, then drag your mouse to the workspace, then draw an imaginary bounding box to band the text you'll be typing, and it's usually used for paragraph text. So in either way, you can still apply two different fonts onto a single text box, but it will be done by highlighting the particular text you want to apply the font type on. So let me show you an example of what I am trying to show you today. So the first thing I would like to do is to apply an artistic text, and this is how you apply the artistic text. You go to the text tool here, then you click on the text tool. I'm using this one, so then you just click. So as you click, your cursor will be activated. So as you can see, by default this Photoshop software already gave us a kind of template text that will be there initially. You see the type, the font and everything is here on the character panel. While I click on the character here, if you are not seeing this type of panel on your own workspace, you can simply go to window, then you call out the panel here. This is the character panel. You can see my own is checked. So if your own is not checked, you can just come here, click, and it will be activated. So you can click and place it here. Now let's assume I just type something way to font types. So in this same text I've typed, so let me zoom, or I can increase. So in this same text that I've typed, I can apply different property to different text here that is on the text box that I've created. So if you go back and select the pick tool, and or after you have typed, finish typing, and you have append the text, like you have clicked here to apply the text to make it permanent before you move on to another text you want to type. If you select the pick tool here and you are trying to apply the font, you're applying font, you're applying size, the type, font type, family type, you're applying size, you're applying this is okay 36, and you try to apply color. So everything you are applying on the character panel here will be applied to everything. But if you don't want it like that, so you can just go back to the text tool, click on the text tool, then you highlight the particular area you want to have a distinct font or a distinct color. So let's say I want to change this from Mozilla Slab to a kind of script font. So let me scroll down and look for a script font on my font panel. So let's say I choose this one. Can see now it's because I highlighted the one that I want. That's why I'm able to check this specific one that I have highlighted. So the same way you can apply to anything you want to do. So that's That's it. So any other thing I still want to do is just by highlight. If I want to change the size, can increase the size. If I want to reduce the size, can reduce the size. So this way you can come up with a simple logo without breaking the text that you have typed in a single text box. Another thing you might still want to do is to change the color. So you can simply change the color of what you have highlighted by coming here. So let me quickly show you a practical application which I feel that's how they just come about it, because you will notice that if you were able to change the property of the font that is in a single text box, you won't need to be struggling with the alignment of the text box. One of the example is in the way Google display their logo. Let me go to the internet and search for Google logo. So you will see the way it is. It's let me choose this one, copy from the internet, then paste into my document. So as you can see now, everything is well aligned and well arranged, as if they are together. It might have been done, it is in two ways. It might have been done by breaking everything into pieces using other vector based tool, but if you are doing the same thing here, you might not be able to. If you had typed each letters differently, you might not be able to arrange them very well. So all you need to do is just to type them on a single line, then apply each color and everything you want to apply to it. Let me first copy all this color that we have here so that I can replicate the same thing using a similar font that is here. So I can simply press I on my keyboard, then copy this color, copy this color, click on this color, click on this color. So now I have all the color used on this logo here on my color swatches panel. So let me now create something similar like this. Let me just type the capital GOOLE. So that's Google. Now I can go ahead to change the font. So I will try to return back to the shape tool, the pick tool first. Then let me try to increase the size by holding shift up like this. So I can go ahead. Let me go ahead to, okay, I've increased this, so I have to append. Now I can now go ahead to change the font, a particular font that I feel is close, though not the actual one, but some work has been done to make this logo look like this. So I am not trying to replace the logo. So the next thing to achieve this colorful thing is to go back to the text tool, then start to highlight them one by one. So I highlight G, then go to the color to select the color for G. You can see, then you highlight O, go and pick the color for the O, then you highlight the other O, then the color, then this one again. You have the blue, the green remain because that was the last color we picked. That's why everything inherited the color. So the last one red. Once you are done, return back to the pick tool. So that's it. If I should say that I want to type these letters with different text box, it might be difficult for me to be able to arrange them, though I might use underline, but I think this way is easier than typing them one by one and try to figure out how to align them. But in other vector based program, you can just type everything together, break them apart, then to start arranging them. So all right, thank you for staying with me in this short video. If you have learned something in this short video, please hit the like button, and we hope to see such videos like this from me in the future. Please subscribe and click the notify me button. Immediately I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much. See you next time.